Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, it's currently 2:17 in the afternoon and I haven't eaten lunch, so I went to Wendy's and got some food. So let's eat real quick. Coca-Cola is just the bottom of Coke. Man, I got the Baconator fries again. This time I got the barbecue sauce for it. Because the last time I did, they forgot to give it to me. And also the last thing, they messed up my order. So good. It's like, oh my god, they're so good. Today is my grandpa's birthday. I'm gonna call him to wish him a happy birthday.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm good.
Where are you at?
Oh, driving to work down in southern Indiana.
Oh, okay. Yeah, how old are you now?
Oh, I think 39.
I thought so.
73.
73. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Just about your age in reverse.
That's right. Almost. Almost.
So, where are you at?
I'm at home.
You off today, right?
Yeah, I'm filming a video.
Oh, okay. Alright, well, thank you for calling.
You're welcome. Happy birthday. I love you.
I love you too, buddy. Bye.
Bye. I love him. My grandpa's awesome. Oh, so it is a great day today, everyone. It's his birthday. And he's working. That was awesome. Put a smile on my face. Bro, amazing. Amazing. I'm supposed to be getting my hair cut today. I don't know, should I keep... Next time you see me, I might not have blonde anymore. I like just to be all brown. I haven't decided yet. Like, that does look cool. Oh my god, it's 222. Can you see it? 2:22. My goodness. I have a special meaning to me. I just don't know how yet. I always see that number. Whether it's a time or a date, anything. I always get 2:22. So weird. Oh my God. For those of you who don't eat bacon, why? And for those of you that don't like it, what is wrong with you? Ugh. I like scarf that down. We're done. That's depressing. Spicy chicken go wrap. Looks good. Fix it, hold on. Slide over a bit. There we go. Now we wrap it. Up and over. Nope. Lettuce. Lettuce stay there so you can eat. And you up and over. Look, we have a wrap. Oh, it's so good. I keep dancing because I was listening to music all morning, and It's just still pain in my head. Now I know what you're wondering, like why do I have all these iPhone cases on the table, right? But let me tell you why. These actually are all the ones that I've ever had, and I have five of them. Can't count. The only reason they're here is because I was looking for stuff. I was looking for something in a box, and I found all of these, and I was like, oh gosh, I even found the one. These date back, like the first one right here. This is an iPhone, HTC Incredible, and it's broken in half because I remember when I had it, it broke. That's why I had to get a new phone. And then I had so many problems with this thing. I upgraded to this, the iPhone 4, which I still have actually. It's still in here. It's actually cracked across the back. I don't know if you can see it or not. But yeah, I remember this. Then I had that, and then I got the iPhone 5C in green, which I still have this phone. But this one had a problem with the charging port. I love that green. But I never had to send this back in. But after that's the only phone that I had that I could keep. But it's so crazy because this iPhone 4 was only an 8 gig. This is 32. I only went up from there, man. Because then after that I got the iPhone 6S, which I don't have anymore. I just have the box. This one was 64 gigs. This was the iPhone 10. I had the iPhone 10. This one was 256 gigs. And then my current phone, the iPhone XS Max. Wow. But iPhone XS Max, it's 512 gigs. I never read this on the back, but that's good. That's cool. But I love this phone. I've had this for a year now. So it's time to upgrade. I got the iPhone 11 Pro Max. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna open it up. Come on. Okay, here we go. Oh my gosh. So, here's my screen protector. Hey, come in. I just opened it. I haven't even really looked.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Look at it. I know. It's heavy. It's black. The box is black. You don't have it. How much is this one? So I got the same gigabyte as my current phone. 512 gigabytes. Oh my gosh. Smells like a new iPhone.
No, I saw your Wendy's.
Oh, well, it was good though. Alright, unbox this. Cool. Alright. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I'm too afraid. I'm so nervous.
you want me to open it?
No, I got this ready. Oh my gosh, look at that.
I knew that was going to happen.
Thank God nothing happened to it.
I for one said, I was like, watch this be an unboxing fail.
Look at this. We're gonna put this back together and that never happened. Look at it. Okay, so now that I picked it up off the floor because I dropped it. Wow, of course. I would drop my brand new iPhone 11. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is this the same size, right? It's the same size. Oh my gosh. Bro. Oh my gosh. Let me come over and get a close up of this. Look at that. It's a matte finish. Oh my gosh. Ooh, baby. Wow. Oh my gosh. Midnight green. It's very subtle. I like it. I love this. There's 3 cameras on this. Oh my gosh, the box actually has an indent inside for the camera. Anyways, guys, once I get this loaded and go up and going, I will be right back, okay? Okay, you guys, I am just loving this new phone, and I finally got it activated and stuff. Wow, the camera on this is ridiculous. Like, wow, I'm gonna be so upset if the new phone that comes out in January is gonna be better than this. But, oh my gosh, I love it in the matte green. It's amazing. So, this in, I approve. So, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Like and subscribe to my channel. Turn on the little bell icon to know when I get put out new videos and whatnot. Comment below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.